searching the way to my hotel. I think it's time to check in. And now I'm at Karlskirche Platz. I had a not so small break in my hotel apartment since I don't know, I was really tired. I guess due to climbing up to this tower at St. Stephen's Church. Yeah, so I had to rest a little bit. And yeah, now going to check Karl's church. So I took the metro U4 line, just 3 stops from my hotel. Looks like it's closed. I cannot go inside. Maybe I just cannot open the door. Anyway, the entrance was in that location. It's here, I guess. It is very easy to get till Karlskirche or St. Charles Church or Karl's Church, as it is within walking distance of the very center of town. If you are taking the subway, you should ride till Karlsplatz subway station. It is the 18th century church built by Charles VI. If you like history and architecture, you should definitely take a look at this magnificent building. The exterior architecture impresses with its great dome and the 2 giant columns. Yes, the ticket to visit the church will cost you €9.50, but at least take a look at it from the outside. Yeah, unfortunately, you can visit the church, this Karl's church, only by paying the money. You have to pay to visit the church, and it costs €9.50 adult ticket. At least this is what I understood. And yeah, I will not pay this money. So I'm going to see another attraction for tourists. I had quite big plans for today, but I guess I will not visit everything today. I will leave something for tomorrow and Wednesday. And here is the statue of Braun. It's also near Karl's church on a Karlsplatz. This building is Vienna's city opera, but I cannot get inside. I think it's closed. Yeah, it's closed. Guys near opera selling the tickets. Huge wind. Sorry. let me hide from the wind. Now it's better. Yeah, so I was telling that there are some guys near opera, and actually in the city as well, and they're selling tickets to Mozart orchestra concert. The cheapest ticket costs 59 euros. It's for the balcony, and if you want to see the most and want to sit on the best place possible, you have to pay 125 euros for one ticket. I would say quite expensive. I would go there, but not yet sure. Yeah, it's time to have a proper meal. I want to eat, and you can buy some hot dogs here on the corner. But I want to have, as I said, the proper meal. So now searching for the good place to eat.
And of course, if you are visiting Vienna, you should taste famous Austrian schnitzel.
So I had a good meal, and now I'm in Burggarten, going to check the Mozart statue, and it's here. Let's take a short walk here in this garden, in this park. Here we have another impressive building, but as you can see, there are some reconstruction works happening right now. Yeah, by the way, this place where I had my lunch is quite expensive. For example, the schnitzel costs 13 euros, but you have to pay additionally for the side dishes, for the sauce. So it's still nice, but maybe it's better to choose another place to eat if you want to save some money. Another must-seeing object in Vienna. It's very windy, so I guess I will have to do the voiceover once I will be back from this adventure.
So now we have reached one of Vienna's historical squares, Maria Theresien Platz, or Square. As for that name, it honors Empress Maria Theresa. Maria Theresa was the only female ruler of the Habsburg Empire. She ruled for 40 years. Maria Theresa is considered one of the best rulers of the Habsburg dynasty, as she did many reforms to the empire. For example, reforms in finance, education, and civil rights. The Maria Theresien Platz is located in a beautiful area between the Museum of Natural History and the Museum of Art History Vienna. In the center of Platz there is impressive Maria Theresia monument. The monument features the Empress Maria Theresa as a large bronze statue. The monument stands over 19 meters high. During the Christmas time, the Maria Theresien Platz is transformed into a big Christmas market. One more reason to visit Vienna in December.
Yeah, it looks like History Museum is closed. I see some guys trying to get in, with no luck, but I'm not sure if I will go to this museum. I just want to enjoy architecture. That's enough for me. But very impressive monument and very impressive buildings. This history museum, and on the other side other museum. If it's art, something about the art. And there some museum quarters. So if you like museums, then Vienna is for you. This is the city you must visit. This other museum is open, so maybe let's go inside just to check how much the tickets cost, and yeah. Yeah, it's closed. It works till 6 o'clock, and it looks like you can buy the tickets only till 5 o'clock p.m. So if you really want to visit these museums, you should visit them during the day, not in the evening. But I'm not a big fan of the museums. That's why I'm not sad. I like to take pictures of these buildings. They're really impressive. I like them, and yeah, just enjoying the Vienna city.